Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. It's quite early in the morning, getting ready to have my cup of coffee. And I wanted to give a good shout out to this Straus family creamery company because I've actually seen their farm. It's super creamy, high quality milk. They're grass fed. They live a very good life, these cows. And man, you put this in your coffee, you just never forget. So I wanted to give you some ideas maybe on next time you're in the store, how you can support good companies and those who do good business practices, care about the environment, and where the cows have happy lives. So try it out, see if you like it, and you can recycle this wonderful bottle or keep it and craft with it. You can put pennies in it, use it as a coin jar, pencil jar after you rinse it out, obviously. And there's also people who recycle as a job, so go ahead and, if you want, let them have it so they can get some money for it. There's a pint. They have bigger bottles, obviously, and it's really good. If you put it in your cooking stuff, you see the difference. So where we use our money makes a difference. So alhamdulillah for everything, and hope you have a good day.